Welcome to ZenSagemind. If you're struggling to turn women on, don't blame yourself too much. Studies show women are notoriously more difficult to turn on than men. It's biology, fellas. But today we're revealing 5 simple hacks that make women beg you for sex. That's right, beg. Stay tuned. We're about to unlock the secrets to igniting a woman's desire, making her yours completely. These aren't your average dating tips. This is about raw attraction, the kind that makes her weak at the knees. Before we dive in, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more high-value content. We're dropping truth bombs here and you don't want to miss out. Let's get started. Confidence isn't about arrogance, though. It's not about being boastful or trying to overshadow others. True confidence is a quiet strength, a sense of self-assurance that doesn't need to be loud to be noticed. It's about having a calm and steady belief in your abilities and your worth. It's about knowing your worth, owning your masculinity, and not being afraid to go after what you want. Embracing your true self and understanding that you have something valuable to offer to the world. It's about standing tall and being proud of who you are without feeling the need to apologize for it. Walk with purpose, speak with conviction, and make eye contact. These small actions can make a big difference in how others perceive you. When you walk with purpose, you show that you know where you're going and what you want. Speaking with conviction demonstrates that you believe in what you're saying, and making eye contact shows that you're engaged and confident in your interactions. Start small if you have to. Hit the gym, level up your style, learn a new skill. These activities not only improve your physical appearance and abilities, but also boost your self-esteem. When you see progress in these areas, it reinforces the belief that you are capable of achieving your goals. It's about taking those first steps, no matter how small, and building on them. Every achievement, big or small, adds to your reservoir of confidence. Celebrate your successes, no matter how minor they may seem. Each accomplishment is a testament to your hard work and dedication. Recognize and appreciate your progress, and let it fuel your confidence to take on even bigger challenges. Remember, women can smell insecurity a mile away. They are often more perceptive than you might think, and they can pick up on subtle cues of self-doubt. Insecurity can be a major turn-off, as it suggests a lack of self-belief and stability. So ditch the self-doubt, step into your power, and watch how they respond. When you exude confidence, you become more attractive and magnetic. People are naturally drawn to those who are sure of themselves and their abilities. Confidence can transform the way others see you and how you see yourself. This isn't about faking it till you make it. Genuine confidence comes from within and is built over time through experience and self-reflection. It's about being authentic and true to yourself rather than putting on a facade. When you are genuinely confident, it shows in your actions and interactions. This is about becoming the man you were meant to be, the man who naturally attracts women without even trying. It's about growing into your best self and letting that shine through. When you are comfortable in your own skin, you don't need to try hard to impress others. Your natural confidence will do the work for you. Confidence is your secret weapon, gentlemen. Use it wisely. It's a powerful tool that can open doors and create opportunities. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use your confidence to uplift and inspire others and to create positive and meaningful connections. When used wisely, confidence can be a force for good in your life and the lives of those around you. Women are drawn to authenticity, to men who aren't afraid to show their true selves. Don't just talk about yourself, though. Make her feel heard, make her feel understood. Remember, the goal here isn't just to get her into bed, it's to create a connection that runs deeper than physical attraction. When you build that emotional bond, that's when the real magic happens.
Chapter 3. Enhance your relationships. So you've built an emotional connection, now what? Building an emotional connection is just the beginning. It's like laying the foundation of a house. The real work begins after that. You need to put in the effort to make sure that the connection you have built continues to grow and flourish. You need to nurture it, cultivate it, like a prized garden. Just as a garden needs water, sunlight, and care, your relationship needs attention, love, and effort. Neglecting it can lead to weeds of misunderstanding and resentment. This is about taking things to the next level, building a relationship that's based on mutual respect, trust, and understanding. Communication is key, gentlemen. Without these elements, the relationship can become fragile and prone to breaking. Mutual respect means valuing each other's opinions and feelings. Trust is the bedrock that holds everything together, and understanding each other helps in navigating through life's challenges. And no, I don't mean texting her YD at 2 a.m. Real communication goes beyond the superficial. It's about connecting on a deeper level. I'm talking about real, honest, face-to-face conversations. These conversations are where you share your dreams, fears, and aspirations. They are the moments where you truly get to know each other. Tell her how you feel, listen to her needs, and be present in the relationship. Being present means giving her your undivided attention, showing that you care about what she has to say. Women appreciate a man who's emotionally available, who can communicate his thoughts and feelings clearly. Emotional availability means being open and vulnerable, sharing your inner world with her. Don't forget about the little things either. The small gestures often have the biggest impact. A surprise date night, a thoughtful gift, a simple, "I love you" can go a long way. These actions show that you are thinking about her and that you value the relationship. Remember, a strong relationship is a two-way street. It's not just about what you can get, but also about what you can give. It's about giving and receiving, supporting each other and growing together. When both partners are committed to each other's growth and happiness, the relationship becomes a source of strength and joy. So, take the time to invest in your relationship and watch it blossom into something beautiful and enduring.
Chapter 4. Understand and respect consent. Gentlemen, this is non-negotiable. Consent isn't just a legal requirement, it's about being a decent human being. A real man, a high-value man, respects a woman's boundaries, both physical and emotional. This isn't about being nice or gentlemanly. It's about understanding that no means no, always. Pay attention to her verbal and nonverbal cues. Don't pressure her, don't guilt-trip her, and don't make her feel uncomfortable. A true alpha male doesn't need to force himself on anyone. When you respect a woman's boundaries, you're showing her that you value her as a person, not just a conquest.
Chapter 5. Build trust and intimacy. Trust is the foundation of any strong relationship, especially when it comes to intimacy. Without trust, the relationship is built on shaky ground, and it becomes difficult to form a deep, meaningful connection. Trust allows both partners to feel secure and confident in each other, knowing that they can rely on one another through thick and thin. You can't expect a woman to open up to you physically if she doesn't trust you implicitly. Trust is earned through consistent actions and genuine care. When a woman feels that she can trust you, she will be more willing to share her innermost thoughts and feelings, creating a deeper emotional bond. Building trust takes time, effort, and consistency. It's not something that happens overnight. You need to show through your actions that you are dependable and that you have her best interests at heart. This means being honest, keeping your promises, and showing up when you say you will. Be reliable, keep your promises, and be there for her when she needs you. Reliability is a cornerstone of trust. When you consistently show up for your partner, it reinforces the idea that you are someone she can count on. This reliability builds a sense of security and stability in the relationship. Share your secrets, your fears, your vulnerabilities. Opening up about your own insecurities and fears can be a powerful way to build trust. It shows that you are willing to be vulnerable and that you trust her with your deepest thoughts. This mutual sharing creates a safe space where both partners feel understood and accepted. Vulnerability breeds connection. It shows her that you trust her enough to let your guard down. When you allow yourself to be vulnerable, it invites her to do the same. This exchange of vulnerabilities can deepen your emotional connection and strengthen the bond between you. Intimacy isn't just about sex, though. It's about creating a deep emotional connection that goes beyond physical attraction. Emotional intimacy involves sharing your thoughts, dreams, and fears with each other. It's about being open and honest and feeling safe to express your true self. It's about emotional closeness, about feeling safe and secure with someone. When you feel emotionally close to your partner, it creates a sense of safety and security. This emotional safety allows both partners to be their authentic selves without fear of judgment or rejection. When you build that kind of trust and intimacy, the physical connection becomes a natural extension of that bond. Physical intimacy is an important aspect of a relationship, but it should be built on a foundation of trust and emotional closeness. When both partners feel secure and connected, the physical aspect of the relationship can flourish naturally. Engage in deep conversations, ask questions, and show genuine interest in her thoughts and feelings. Communication is key to building trust and intimacy. By actively listening and showing that you care about what she has to say, you demonstrate that you value her as a person. Spend quality time together, laugh, and create happy memories. Shared experiences and positive interactions help to strengthen the bond between partners. When you enjoy each other's company and create joyful moments together, it reinforces the connection and trust in the relationship. Support each other through challenges and celebrate each other's successes. Being there for each other during difficult times and sharing in each other's achievements can deepen the trust and intimacy in the relationship. It shows that you are a team and that you can rely on each other no matter what. Remember, building trust and intimacy is an ongoing process. It requires continuous effort and dedication from both partners. By nurturing the relationship and prioritizing trust and emotional closeness, you can create a strong, lasting bond that withstands the test of time.
Thanks for watching Zen Sage Mind. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your engagement helps us reach more people and spread the message of what it means to be a high-value man. Remember, attracting women isn't about tricks or manipulation. It's about self-improvement, about becoming the best version of yourself. Keep working on yourself, keep building your confidence, and the women will follow. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's create a community of like-minded individuals who are committed to mastering the art of attraction. See you in the next video.